Welcome everyone. It is me again, Catch a Breath Beauty. My name is Heather and welcome. If you haven't been here before, do me a huge favor. Just go ahead and click that red subscribe button down below and hit that bell for notifications because otherwise you won't know I exist. So today we are here to unbox my BoxyCharm. Now, I will always be late to the game on this one, and I will explain why in just a second. So anything BoxyCharm related coming from me will be late forever, amen, because I just happen to be that unfortunate YouTuber who has to wait nearly until the next month to receive my box, which leaves me here weeks behind everyone else. But I decided to go ahead and film this because I have never had the opportunity to do one because I always felt that nobody would watch because once you've seen it, you've seen it. However, my excitement is still the same. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it. I have not looked at any spoilers on the internet. I haven't looked at Trend Moods page. I have not looked at BoxyCharm's Instagram. I have not watched a single YouTube video. I'm not looking. Where's the card? Okay, here we go. I'm gonna try not to look at anything having to do with the products. Not looking. Okay, if I look at the back, that's gonna be coupons and things. So I'm gonna try my hardest. Okay, here we go. We are road tripping. Seems really appropriate for summer. Let's go for product number one. Cella? Perhaps that is how you pronounce that. Cella? Now, it says it is a tantalizing taupe eyebrow cream. Interesting. Oh, this is so difficult, you guys. I should have my husband help me with this. Okay, I think it's at the bottom. I was just looking for this white tube. I'm covering up. It is an eyebrow cream, as I stated. Add some wow to your brows. This innovative eyebrow cream effortlessly defines and shapes your eyebrows with its creamy consistency and built-in brush. The velvet-like formula makes blending easy, then sets, giving you perfect brows that will last all day and night. Suggested retail value is $26 on this. And it says that this is Debbie's fave. Oh, look at that. It is just almost like just a standard liner brush. So I'm sure if you look at the bottom, I'm sure you will go ahead and spin the product up. Oh no, it comes apart. This is the brush and way down inside of there, and look how small this is in comparison to my index finger. Okay, so this tiny, tiny little thing is the brow product. I'm a little confused as to why anybody would be paying $26 for this. It better rub my back and clean my bathroom and make me dinner and do dirty things to me because that is quite a bit of money. So I'm going to dip in and give you a little swatcheroo. Now this reminds me of the previous BoxyCharm item, the Pretty Vulgar eyeliner, ink and quill. That one you have a really difficult time actually seeing where the product is and when the brush meets the product. And I'm having that identical problem with this product. Now it seems to be a little firm. Maybe perhaps this is like a pomade. I'm pressing into the product and I'm really not getting much of anything. So maybe I'll drag it a little bit harder. Oh, wow. Yeah, that does not come out very well. It is super chunky and it's awkward on the brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and, ooh, that is very dark. So that is the color of the brow product. So I can tell you almost immediately that this one will be going in a bin for friends and family because there is absolutely no way I'm going to make my eyebrows that dark. If anybody has actually tried this and it's a good product, go ahead and leave me a comment below because I'll look into it. Maybe there is a color that would suit me, and if it is a good product, I'd like to know. All right, now I'm starting to get excited because usually once you get like a brow or some kind of product like that out of the way, you get some good stuff. So here we go, product number 2. All right, more Dr. Brandt. This is Needles No More, No More Baggage, Eye Depuffing Gel. Huh, do they know me? This is for all skin types. After your eye moisturizer, warm a tiny amount between fingers and gently pat directly under bags and dark circles. Use alone or under makeup. Oh wow, that's awesome. For best results, let dry in between applications. Reapply as needed. That is very cool that it's actually confirmed, well, at least as claimed by Dr. Brandt, to use multiple applications of this, just let it dry in between. So I'm actually really excited about this because your girl gets 0 sleep, like -0 if that were even a number, if that were even possible. That's how little sleep I get. So Bag City, and this will definitely be getting some good use in this house. I will let you all know next month how I feel about this entire box. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to try to locate this by glancing. This is a retail price of $42. Wow, this is Valentina's favorite. So now let's pick out the 3rd item. Another tube. And we have Wander Beauty Unleashed Volume and Curl Mascara in a tube. So again, we're trying to find the product. Unleashed Volume and Curl Mascara. This award-winning black and intensely glossy mascara will bring your lashes to new heights, literally. The Unleashed Mascara volumizes, lengthens, and strengthens and conditions your lashes while using a combination of gentle ingredients. Once again, this is $24, and this is Chola's favorite. I have never used anything from Wander Beauty, so I'm really excited to give this a shot. Now we have another item. It is small and square. This is from Note. It is a luminous silk compact blusher with argan oil. Let's look again. This is retailing for $11.99. This is Joelle's favorite. It is designed to work for all skin types. This luminous, paraben-free, love that, blush adds natural color to your cheeks while preventing dryness. Oh, girl, sign me up. Preventing dryness? Yes. With its argan oil infused formula, the built-in brush and mirror, oh, you work, makes this little compact a 3-in-1 treat. Perfect for the charmer on the go. See, this is in shade 05 Desert Rose. Let's see if we can get this compact open. Oh, that's beautiful. And when you open it, it is embossed with Note. It does, there's that mirror they were speaking of. Now let me see how to access. Oh, you very carefully lift the sides because there's not anything else, so be careful with your nails because you don't want to nick the product. And I was hoping for something a little bit more, but it is just a little tiny guy like this. We know how these kind of brushes work out, but in a pinch, right? I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this for you guys really quickly. Oh, I almost don't want to rub off the embossing. It's so cute. I'm gonna just go ahead. I swirled around a couple times. This is pigmented, you guys. Look at that. That is absolutely crazy. So I turned down my light so you could see this so much better, but is this beautiful rosy peach, and it's blending. The more I just gently touch, it is just blending on my hand, but it is not disappearing. It is super pigmented because look at my finger. Even after all of this on my hand, my finger is still covered. Like I could probably, here, let's see. Yeah, it still shows up even, wow, that still shows up. That is crazy, y'all. For $11.99, I definitely can't wait to give this a try. Alrighty, and as I am feeling around inside the box, oh, I love feeling around inside boxes. It seems like we have the grand finale. I can't stop. Oh, somebody stop me. We have something in bubble wrap, which is always a good thing. This has to be a palette of some kind. Ooh, it says Crown. I like their brushes, I really do. In fact, I was using their blush brush earlier today, so I actually really do like Crown. Oh, Crown brush, Fuego eyeshadow collection. Yes, yes, girl, Fuego. Oh, yes, because if anybody has been savvy enough to pick up on the name of my channel, you know that a Fuego eyeshadow palette would just have me dancing. Literally, and I will be dancing at the Forum this summer. And if anybody doesn't know what I'm talking about, fish with a PH, do yourself a favor, you'll just go. Don't even listen to the music yet. Just take yourself to a concert and your life will be forever changed. So now that we've gone off on that tangent, I'm going to fight with this unit carton, which does have the ingredients on the back. Oh, that wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Normally with my nails, I have to fight and fight. All right, here we have the palette. It is a cardboard. Let's see. It does have magnetic closure. Here we go. Oh. Wow, okay. Well, guys. All right, here she is. The Fuego eyeshadow palette. What do we think, guys? I personally expected things that weren't as pink. When I think Fuego, I'm thinking super coppery and just amazing. I'm seeing peach. I'm seeing brown. There's really nothing with a true red undertone, which, I mean, this is all personal preference, obviously. There are no shade names on here, nor are they on the back side, so I have no idea what to call these. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to swatch this color, this one, and this one. This is a matte, and both of these are metallics. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch that on my hand really quick, and we will see. I mean, I really am most impressed by those colors if we're going by theme. Alrighty, well, I might want to take back my shit talking because even look at this matte. These metallics are just absolutely insane. This color right here reminds me an awful lot of one of the colors in the Carity palette, their Just Peachy palette that I just reviewed a few days ago. So these are the 3 colors that I swatched, and as more comes off, God, I am so professional today, you guys. Made up of rich, warm toned shades, this creamy, high pigmented palette gives you exactly what you need to create infinite, flawless eye looks. The 4 shimmer shades perfectly complement the 6 mattes, making this the palette for all your glam goals. I will definitely agree, they are ultra pigmented, they are soft like butter. I don't so much agree that you will be able to make infinite amount of looks. I think this is going to be fairly, you know what, it's gonna be your neutral palette. You'll be able to use it at the office with the matte shades, and you can take it to night by adding that little pop of shimmer. You know what, I am definitely willing to give this the good old college try. However, I do believe that these shadows are going to mimic a lot of what I already have in my collection. But I'm very grateful to BoxyCharm because I am always excited to try something new. So sorry about the lighting change, you guys. The sun just went down behind one of my trees in my backyard and just went and put my light all out of whack, so I apologize for those swatches, but everything will be gone into more detail here in the next couple weeks as I try things on, as I wear test them, and we will revisit all of these products next month, but obviously it's going to be much later in the month than everybody else, so bear with me. I always get it just way late. So that brings us to the end of my BoxyCharm unboxing. If you like this kind of video, just a little quickie where you can get somebody's actual surprised reaction, go ahead and give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and definitely go hit me up on all other social media platforms. I love to talk to you all, and I live and breathe for all the comments. So thank you all for the love, and I hope that you continue to come back for more content because y'all, I have like a shitload to film. So don't sleep on me and hit that notification bell. I will see you all next time. Love, light, and highlight.